Thank you, my guy. Listen, with just 1,500 naira only, I will teach you how to make this kind of video.
If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We value that so much.
So to generate that video that you've just seen, you have to follow the instructions that I will give you right now. And it is simple, very interesting. Okay? So first thing first, you have to go back to Play Store. Remember in my previous video, I showed you how to add your card in the Play Store. So go back to Play Store. So that I want to show you the application that we are going to use for this. Right now we are in the Play Store. So you search for Gemini. So you want to use Gemini for this. So just search for Gemini. Please follow the instructions that I want to show you, because if you miss something, it may not work. Okay, so search for Gemini and just scroll down. This is exactly the app that we are going to use, this one. So please look at it very well so that you don't install something else. So this is the app, and this is the icon for the app here, right here. Okay, so you can install it if you've not installed it on your phone before. So let's say you have installed it, you see here open. So tap on the open and it will open, as you can see right now. So when you are here in your Gemini, you can use Gemini to ask questions, to make research, or to create a video. But for you to be able to create the video, you need to update your accounts, your Gemini account. Okay, so just click here where I want to show you right now. Click here right now, this place that you see your symbol, your initial. Okay, upgrade to Google AI Plus. Upgrade to Google AI Plus. You click on it. Then you will see that you have different options. You have a Google AI Plus, and we also have Get Google AI Pro. So the one that we want to use to generate our video is Google AI Pro. So this Google AI Pro, when we register for it, they are going to give us free for 1 month. They will not charge anything for 1 month. So you can use that 1 month to practice it. You can use it to generate video for free. So that is what we are going to use. So click on this Get Google AI Pro. Then it will ask you to agree to the terms and conditions. So we click on agree and it will open for us. So here it will bring up our MasterCard that we've added to our Play Store, and to ask us to subscribe. So if you have not added your MasterCard to the Play Store, you can go back and add it to the same email address that you are using right now. So if that is the email address that you use to add a card, make sure that you've changed it back to that same email address that we want to use in this Gemini. Okay, all right. So now it will ask you to continue. You just continue with your card that you've added already, or if it prompts you to enter your card, you just enter your card, enter all the details of your card, and then you click on subscribe. After selecting the card that you want to use, please click on subscribe. This particular place, this down part of your screen, click on subscribe. So after subscribing, it will take you back to the Gemini page. So I'm going to go back to my Gemini page right now. So after subscribing, it will take you to this particular page. So this is the page that you are going to generate your videos. Now let me show you around this page. This is the menu, as you see here on the top left corner of this page, and as you know, this is where your account is. Okay, so this place is where you will type in your prompt to generate your video. Then if you want to upload maybe a picture or whatever, so that this AI can work on it, you can use this place to upload it. Then this place is where you select what you want to do, whether you want to generate a video or something else. So when you click there, you will see create videos. So since we want to create videos, it should be selected. So click on it and select that. Okay, so here is the model. The model number that we want to use is 2.5 Pro. You will select here, you see another model that is fast help around 2.5 flash. So don't use this one. For the sake of our tutorial, we want to use a higher model. This is 2.5 Pro. So you select that. So you want to use your voice to record, you select this place to use your voice to prompt it. And after writing your prompt, you use this place right now, this place here. You see this place, use this place to send your prompt so that it can generate a video for you. So I've already generated some prompt and I want to paste it here right now. As you can see, this is the prompt that I have pasted. It says, a Nigerian man in his 30s, written on his shirt, Julijetek, sitting in an African restaurant. A waiter came and served him food. Then he said in Nigerian accent, thank you, my guy. Listen, with just 1,500 naira only, I will teach you how to make this kind of video. Everyone in the restaurant clapped their hands with joy. Okay, so let me change this to 1,500 naira only. Okay, so that it does not make mistake while it's trying to read the numbers. So AI can make mistakes, so I'm going to tell you more about that. So after making sure that your prompt is okay, what you do next is to click on this place and send your prompt. So let's send it now. So when you send your prompt, you just give it a few minutes and allow it to generate for you. It's saying that I'm generating your video. This could take a few minutes. So check back to see when your video is ready. It says generating your video. This can take 1 to 2 minutes. So we just sit back and allow it to generate. You can minimize it and do other things, or you just wait here, allow it to generate. So it has finished generating our video. So let's play and see how it goes.
Thank you, my guy. Listen, with just 1,500 naira only, I will teach you how to make this kind of video.
Okay, so that is cool. Excellent. So I have generated another one here with this prompt that says, a Nigerian man in his 30s, written on his shirt, Julijetek, walking down a stairway holding a phone in his hand, saying in Nigeria accent, you don't have to pay 200,000 to learn video editing. Julijetek is teaching everybody how to make this video with AI for just 1,500 naira only. So let's play it and see. If it does not bring out the sound, you can just look at here. You need to touch here so that the sound can come out. Let's go back.
You don't have to pay 200,000 to learn video editing. Julijetek is teaching everybody how to make this video with AI for just 1,500 naira only. You don't have to pay 200,000 to learn video.
That's cool, right? So let me tell you that it is only 3 videos that you can generate in a day. As you can see now, it has told me that I have reached my video generation limit until November 19, 12 p.m. So I will not be able to generate video now and tomorrow morning. But from tomorrow afternoon, from 12 p.m., I'll be able to start generating. So you should take care of the prompt that you write, because if you make mistake, you are actually wasting your prompt, your opportunity, let's say your quota for the day. So when you craft your prompt very well, it will help you to achieve the desired results, so that you do not just waste your quota anyhow.
Don't miss out. Click the link in the description to join my free video editing course and class. See you in our next video.